Hey, what's up everyone? Doing a front headlights on a 2010 Honda Pilot. I'm doing the passenger side and driver side. First we'll start with the passenger side. What you want to do is you want to reach down here and the light is right there. That's the headlight. And you want to reach down here and disconnect the connector. You just reach down, there's a little thumb button on the connector. You push it and pull it down. And then when you get that off, you twist this towards the engine. I'm sorry, away from the engine, and pull it out. And yeah, here it is. We'll get a closer look at it. You just pull it out, and the way I was reaching in is this way. I kind of had to like snake my arm a little bit. As you can see, there's a filament in there, and it's supposed to be one piece, but you can see this one is broken. That center part burned out, so it's like it's just burned out, kind of like a fuse burns out. The bulb on the bottom says H11, so I went and got myself some H11s. You can get these at AutoZone, Kragen, Napa, whatever your auto parts is. This is a 2-pack. Supposedly this is brighter than the factory ones. Look a little different, so we'll see. Probably not that much big of a difference, really, to be honest. Slide this back in, and you'll line up the 3 tabs. There's like these 3 tabs or 2 tabs on the bulb, and you put them in, and then you turn it after you put them in. And once it's in, you just reconnect this connector. You should hear it pop or maybe click when you put it in. If you don't, then just test it, make sure it turns on, and then you'll be all right. So go ahead and get it in like that. All right, so that's on. We test it. It's turning on. Looking good. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the other side of the driver side. Driver side, a little bit different. You have to take this air duct off. Not a big deal. It's just these 2 clips right here. Get yourself a flat head and just pop these 2 clips up like that. If you're in a bind, you could probably use like a butter knife or something. But yeah, just get these clips up. Don't lose them because you're going to reuse them to put this back on. And once you get those 2 clips off, go ahead and just wiggle this until it comes out. Just like that. That'll give you just enough room to snake your arm in here. Just slowly reach in here, and you could do the same thing pretty much. We're just going to reach in here, undo the connector, and then twist the bulb and get the bulb out. You can get the bulb out, I believe, with the connector attached, and then you could try to get a better grip on the connector to disconnect it. But I got it out. I'm putting my new one in. Same procedure as far as this part goes. We're just getting the bulb in, line up the tabs in the holes, and then once you get the tabs lined up, you can twist it and it'll lock it in place. Go ahead and turn it, lock it in place, get the connector connected, and then put this guy back on, put your 2 clips back in, test it, and that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helps you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. See ya.